Hey, so I just ended up getting this dimmable 3 different light style accent piece for your wall. Super easy to install. I'm going to show you how to install this in the video and what tools you're going to need and the exact drill bit size that you're going to need in order to put this into the drywall. So this has 3 different light settings: normal, soft, and warm. It is USB chargeable. It looks really nice, high quality, made of metal. It's like a matte black finish. It just looks absolutely gorgeous, and it has the light on the back, which is super nice. So let's get this thing installed and see what it looks like. Okay, so first thing you want to do is map out where you want to install this. So on my wall, I just centered it up from side to side. And since I'm going to be installing one on this side in between the windows and one over here to the left, I ended up getting the height at 66 inches and just kept that the same. Another tool that I think would be really helpful is a leveler. So wherever you have this to wherever you want it, just to make sure that it is level, a little leveler will help 100%. Get the bubble right in the middle, and this thing is going to be sitting perfectly flush. So after you get that where you want, level wise, length and width, all centered up, all you got to do is just tap little holes or just mark them with a mechanical pencil or regular pencil right in the center, because that is where we're going to be drilling. All you're going to worry about is this bracket, because once you install this bracket, the light will actually slide onto it super easy. So all we're going to worry about is this. Really basic. Let's get started. Okay, so in this kit, you do get a screw and you also get a drywall anchor, and this is really easy to install. You're going to use a 5/16 drill bit size in order to fit this perfectly, and this is the one that comes with a kit. You can also use your own if you have your own. So this is going to be a 5/16. So all we're going to do is just take a 5/16 and drill right into the wall. All right, now for this part, it's super easy. We're just gonna put these little anchors in here and we're just gonna tap them with a hammer till they are flush. Don't go too crazy with tapping. We just wanna make sure that that is gonna be completely flush. If there's any extra drywall bits, just get rid of those out of the way. Then we're gonna take the other one, tap it right in, nice and easy. Doesn't take a lot of force. You just wanna make sure that that's gonna be sitting flush. All right, next, I'm just gonna put my bracket right up here, and I did mark a level line right there, so I'm just gonna make sure, once again, that this is gonna be sitting level, and I'm gonna get these screws actually started by hand for both. Now I'm gonna take my impact screwdriver, and you can also just use a regular screwdriver and drill these in. You don't wanna go too tight, nothing crazy. Make sure they're secure, give it a little bit of a pull. That thing is on, we're ready to throw on the light. So on the back of this, there is a little slit. So all we're gonna do is line this up to that little part that's popping out, and we're just gonna slide it right in. You can kind of just feel it and you'll know when it's on. So just feel until you guide in, and now that thing is on. And it's nice because you can actually adjust this bar. If you do want to have the look sideways, maybe you have two just kind of adjacent to each other, or you can just center this up really nice. Let's throw this thing on. Wow, that thing looks amazing. And to think that only took about 5 minutes to install. I think these things are the absolute perfect length. They're not too long, not too short, and they're super easy to install. As long as you just follow my instruction guide here, you should have absolutely no problem doing this yourself. And I love how this comes with a remote too, so you can change all the settings on the fly. So these are so cool. You just hit the button and you can turn them both right on. I love the different settings it has. You can change it to night mode. It even has a timer for an hour, 30 minutes, or 2 hours. You can even change this from 6,000 to 4,000 to 3,000 K, depending on the type of lighting that you're going for. You can do a soft light, a bright light, or you can actually dim these down. So this is super versatile. I absolutely love these lights. They're chargeable as well. They come with the USB Type-C ports. These are amazing, and it changed the absolute look of my entire living room. I think it makes my room look so luxurious and just looks absolutely stunning. My wife loves these. I love these. Go and check them out for yourself. I know you're gonna love them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.